Welcome to Technomath, where you can find mathematical shortcut tips and tricks and computer tricks. Click here to subscribe the channel. Hi friends, this tutorial will cover non-verbal reasoning, figure questions part 2. Click the below link to see the part 1. So in this tutorial we will see the kind of figures with objects in different locations with one object change. So guys, in this type of figures you will be given a set of 5 figures, and based on this you have to analyze and find out the next figure in the series. Okay, and you will be also given 5 different answer figures, among which there is one correct answer. Okay, so to solve this kind of figures, non-verbal figures, you need to analyze a pair of boxes at a time. So we will analyze AB, then we will analyze CD, and then on the basis of the pattern we will find out which will match with E in the next figure. So if you analyze A and B, you will see that there are 4 objects in each of the boxes. It is the same in all the boxes, but in the pair AB there are 4 objects, and you see 3 objects are same and 1 is different. Is equal to is here, cross is here, circle is here, but there is one different object, that is triangle and C. Okay, so this is what our tutorial refers to: different objects with one object missing in the next figure. So let's analyze it. If you analyze, first find out which object is different from the previous one. So here triangle, in the figure A there is a triangle, and in figure B it's C. So triangle is replaced with C with different locations. So let's first see the first object, that is equal to. So if you analyze, is equal to is at the first place in A and it is in the second place in the box B. Now in the box C and D, the first object is square, is at the first place and it's in second place in the box D. So it will be the same for E and F also. So in E, plus is the first object, so in our next figure it will be the second place. So let's see among these 5 answers which figure contains plus at the second position, that is second, third, fourth and fifth. So I'll mark them with bold. Now find out the different object. What objects are different from each of these 2 boxes, that is triangle and C. So triangle in the first figure is at the last position, which is replaced by a new object, that is C, in the first place. In the same manner C and D, cross is at the last position and which is replaced by a new symbol in the next figure at the first position. In the same manner in E, C is at the last position and which will replaced by a new symbol in the next figure in the first place. So in these 4 figures we need to find out in the first position the new object, totally new object. If you analyze, C has already been used here, so the new object is Y, right? So we will eliminate these 2. Now still we have 3 options, so let's analyze this second object, that is cross, which comes in third place in the next figure. For C and D, second position is C, which comes in third place. So second object goes to third place in the next figure. So the arrow will be in the third position in the next figure. So among these three, we have fourth and fifth figure matches with our criteria having arrow at the third place. So we will eliminate the third option, and the remaining one object is O. O is at the third place in the first figure. It goes to fourth place in the second figure. In the same manner, is equal to is at the third place in C. It goes to fourth place in D. So square is at the third place in E, and in our answer figure it will be at the fourth place. So among these two, fourth box matches with our criteria having square at the fourth place. So we will eliminate the fifth one, and fourth one is our final answer. Okay, now let's analyze the second figure. For A and B, we are having 5 objects each. Among them, one is different. Circle is here, circle is not here, and it is replaced by a cross symbol. The cross is not in the first figure, so circle is replaced by cross. Okay, and if you analyze, circle is at the first place, which is replaced by a new symbol in the middle in the second figure. Okay, in the same manner, analyze C and D. Triangle, it is at the first position, top left corner, and it is replaced by a totally new symbol in the middle in the next figure. In the same manner, the dark star is at the top left position, and it will be replaced by a totally new symbol in the next position. So in the next box it will be in the middle with the new symbol. So if you analyze this 5 figure, we have to find out a new symbol in the middle. So hash has never been used here. Circle has already been used here. Square has already been used here. This parabola has not been used, and cross has been used. So we have 2 possible answers, first and fourth, having different symbols. Okay, now analyze. Let's go to the second object, that is square. Square is at the top right corner, it goes to top bottom right corner. In the third figure, cross is at the top right corner, it goes to bottom right corner in the next figure. In the E, is equal to is at the top right corner, it will go to bottom right corner in the next figure. So if you analyze 1 and 4 in the both figure, is equal to is at the bottom right corner, right? Now let's see the middle figure. Middle figure is triangle. Triangle in the middle goes to bottom left corner in the next figure. Star in the middle here goes to bottom left corner in the same pattern in the next figure. So here T in the middle will go to bottom left corner. So among this 1 and 4, we are having this fourth box matches with our criteria. So 1 will be eliminated and the answer will be 4. Same manner, we are having 5 objects here. One is different, that is O. O is different. O is not in the second figure, and it is replaced by square. So let's see, T. T here is at the first place, it goes to third place. Let's analyze C and D. Is equal to is at the first place, it goes to third place. So first and third, first goes to third, here also first goes to third place. So in the same manner, square here will go to the third place in the next figure. Okay, so Among these 5 figure we are having only one, no, this first and third matches with our criteria, so I'll mark them with bold. Now let's see which one is a different object. So O is replaced by a new object in the second figure at the second place. So third object is replaced by a new object in the second place in the next figure. Okay, here also a mirrored S is replaced by plus symbol in the second place. So third symbol is replaced at the second place with new object. So in the next figure, star here at the third place will be replaced by a new object in the second place. So if you analyze first and third, we need to find out at the second place we need to find out in which box the new symbol is there on the second place. So in the first, second place, star is there, which is not the new object because it has already been used here. And in the third figure there is an arrow which has not been used in any of the previous figure, so it is a new symbol. So we will eliminate the first one and answer is third box. In the same manner, the next figure, analyze A and B. Okay, so 6 objects are there, one of them is different. The different is, which one is different? It is triangle. Triangle is replaced with a totally new object here with C. Okay, so let's first take one common object, that is cross. Cross is at the top left corner which moves to bottom left corner. Okay, so top left goes to bottom left. Here also top left goes to bottom left. Here also top left will move to bottom left in our next figure. So the first, second and third matches with our criteria having X at bottom left corner. Now we'll take the object that is different. So triangle in the bottom middle is replaced by a new object in the bottom right corner. Okay, here in the C and D, now C is not in this figure because it is replaced by a totally new object P. Okay, so the middle object is replaced by new object at the bottom right corner. In the same manner, this P will be replaced by a new object in the next figure at bottom right corner. So we'll see among 1, 2 and 4 in which figure at the bottom right corner there is a new object. Okay, so in the first place, if you see the bottom right corner, there is a P which has already been used, so it's not a new object. Hash in the second figure is totally a new object which has not been used in any of the previous image. And triangle is already used here, so 1 and 4 will be eliminated here and the answer is 2. And let's move to the last figure. We are having 4 objects. In the first 2 figures, one is different. Which one is different now? So is equal to here in the bottom middle object is different from the next one. So is equal to is replaced by square. All other 3 objects are same. Okay, so let's take one common object, that is circle. So top object goes to bottom left corner. Here also top object goes to bottom left corner, and here it will be the same. Top object will go to bottom left corner. So bottom left corner we need C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them are having C. So it can be any of these 5. Now let's take the object that is different. So bottom middle is replaced by a new object at the bottom right corner. Okay, so is equal to is replaced by square. Here also if you see, all three objects are same: square, s and x. S, square and x. So which one is different? O and C. So bottom middle is replaced by bottom right corner. So here also it will be the same pattern. Bottom middle, that is square. Square will be replaced by a totally new object in the next figure at the bottom right corner. So we'll see at the bottom right corner, among these 5 boxes, which is having a new object. So in the first place it is square, which has already been used. An arrow, that has never been used, so it may be our answer. It again comes square, so it has already been used, it cannot be our answer. Arrow, that has never been used. And star has already been used here. So this second and fourth can be our answer. Let's analyze another object, that is cross. At the bottom left corner it goes to the top. Here also at the bottom left corner S moves to top in the next figure. So in the answer figure this star will move to the top. So among these 2 and 4 we are having second figure matches with our criteria. So we will eliminate 4 and the answer will be second.